Hi, I'm Haley Laughley, and I'm going to be showing you multiple addition and subtraction strategies to do. And the first one we're going to start with is base 10 blocks, and our first equation is 5, 3 base 9 plus 7, 8 base 9. So we're going to draw these out. So we're going to have 5 rods. And 3 units. Second one we're going to draw out is 7, 8. So we're going to have 7 rods and 8 units. So we're not in base 10, we want to remember we're in base 9. So we're only going to go to the 9th unit. So we're going to regroup these. So we have 8 units right here plus 9 equals 1 rod. So then we have 8 rods right here. We want to regroup the rods. So we have 8 rods here. That makes 9. And that turns into a flat. So we have 2 units we can't regroup with and 4 units that we can't regroup. So we have 1 flat, 4 rods, and 2 units. So that's our answer. 2, 4, 2, 1. My bad. Sorry guys. 1, 4, 2, base 9 is the answer. Our next strategy is using lattice, and our problem is 4, 3, 2 base 5 plus 104 base 5. And with the lattice, we're gonna use these lines to separate our problems and use the diagonals to add them. We're just gonna extend these out for our answer. So we want to remember that we're, again, in base 5, so we can have nothing higher than 5. So 4 plus 2 is 6, but we can't have 6 because it's higher than 5. So we have 1 left over. 6 minus 5 is 1. And then we carry or regroup the 1. And 0 plus 3 is 0, or it's 3. So put a 0 in the placeholder. So then 4 plus 1 is 5, so it's a whole number. So we have 10 here. Okay, so when we add, we're going to add diagonally. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So our answer is 1, 0, 4, 1, base 5. Our last strategy for addition is traditional algorithm. So we have 2BA base 16 and 7AE base 16. And that's really confusing, but the way we want to remember is that 1 through 9 is just 9, but then when we get to 10, because we're in different bases, it starts A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So basically what this means is 2, 11, 10 base 16 plus 7, 8, 14 base 16. So we're going to write that out just to make it a little more simple so we don't have to remember what letters are for what number. So I have 2, 11, 10 base 16 plus 7A 14 base 16. So I'm going to make this a little bit more simple so we don't get all these numbers mixed up and just draw down some straight lines, keep them separate. So 10 plus 14 is 24, but we're in base 16, so we can have nothing higher than 16. So what we're going to do is just 24 minus 16. So what we want to remember is 10 plus 14 is 24, but we're in base 16, so we can't have anything higher than 16. So what we're just going to do is 24 minus 16, which is 8. But we want to remember that we had 116, so we're just going to carry that. 12, so we have 1 plus 11 plus 8, which is 20. But we can't have 20 again because we're in base 16. So 20 minus 16 is 4. And we just want to carry that because we already had 116. So 1 plus 2 plus 7 is 10. So then our answer becomes A, 4, 8. Now we're moving on to subtraction strategies. And the first one again is base 10 subtraction. But we're not in base 10, we're in base 9. So the easiest way to do this so you don't get confused with all your blocks is just draw out the first number. So we're going to draw out 7, 2. So I have 7 rods and 2 units. And we want to take away 6 units, but we don't have 6 units to take away. So what we're going to do is we're just going to borrow a rod and turn it into units. So that's 9 units, sorry. And we're going to take 6 of those away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to take all of those away. So we're left with 5 units. I'm just going to move those up there. And then what we're going to do, we want to take away 3 rods as well. So we're just going to take those away. So now our answer is 3, 5, base 9. So now we're on to the traditional algorithm with subtraction, and our problem is 2, 3, 3 base 5 minus 1, 3, 4 base 5. We just want to remember that we're in base 5, so we can have nothing higher than 5. So we want to take away 3 from 4, but we can't do that. That's simple math. So we're going to borrow from this 3, and this 3 becomes a 2. But the difference between this standard algorithm and so the difference between base 5 subtraction and base 10 is we're not just going to put a 1 there and say that that's 13 minus 4. What we're going to do is add the base and the previous number. So 3 plus 5 is 8. Now will become the number that we use. So 8 minus 4 is 4. And 2 minus 3, again, we cannot do that. So we're just going to borrow right here, and that's going to become a 1. And so again, we're going to say, we're going to use 2 plus 5, which is 7. So we're just going to erase that 2 so we don't get confused, and that becomes a 7. So 7 minus 3 is 4. And 1 minus 1 is just 0. So it's 4, 4, base 5 is the answer.